back to my kitchen. No, we're not baking today. We're going to cook a little bit later. But listen, y'all, I'm excited. This is my first video where I'm promoting a product, okay? Let me give a big shout out and thank you so much to Caraway for sending me this absolutely beautiful set of ceramic pots. So they reached out to me as it pertains to their ambassador program and wanted me to pick out a set of pots. Now they offer several colors and we'll talk about that later, but I picked out the cream because lately I've been talking about one of these days somebody's going to reach out and want to sponsor me to upgrade my kitchen. You know, I need a refrigerator and another oven and dishwasher and countertops, all of that. But in the meantime, Caraway reached out to me regarding their, again, beautiful set of pots, and I'm so excited because this is my first promotional video because I'm not wanting to do anything that I didn't want, and I really wanted some new pots. So this was absolutely perfect. So let me share with you my unboxing and opening up these beautiful pots. I'm going to give you some information and then we will come back and talk some more. So let's start with the unboxing. Box number one, you're one step closer to cleaner cooking. This is what healthy cookware looks like at last. So let's get a closer look at this beautiful 100% non-toxic ceramic cookware set. In the box also came this box. I love the presentation. And it has the instruction manual and also 2 trivets. You guys, I love presentation. That's so important to me, okay? All right. So with the set we have, this is the saucepan. And you see the lid has the little hole for steam. This set really is absolutely beautiful. I love the cream. And I chose the cream because I'm preparing, you guys. You know, I've been talking about getting sponsored one of these days for my new kitchen. So I wanted some cream colored cookware. So we're off to a great start. Then we have the, this is the fry pan. It's funny because I also want to call the larger one the fry pan too, but it's considered the saute pan. But this is the fry pan. And then we have the Dutch oven. So pretty, so pretty. And the lid for the Dutch oven also works with the fry pan, okay? So you have 3 lids in all. Then we have the large saute pan. All right. You guys, because, ooh, that was kind of heavy, you all. But because ceramic is non-stick, they recommend very little, if any, oil. So it's not like you have to grease up the pans really good. Just a little bit of some type of a liquid oil, just a little bit. And then this is how you store your Let me make sure I'm telling you guys right. Let's see how you store your pans. These are called magnetic pan racks. So they come apart, but they are magnetic, okay? Isn't that cool? So that's how you store your pans. And then we have our canvas lid holder. Now you guys be mindful when you take your canvas lid holder out of the little cardboard piece that it comes in, don't forget to get your lid holder hooks, okay? Don't leave these on here and then you throw it in the trash can, because you're gonna be mad if you do. All right, so don't forget to take those off. And while I'm talking about it, honey, let me take mine out right now. Okay, so let me share with you some more information, especially some of all of the other colors that are offered. Not only does this beautiful ceramic set come in the color cream, they also offer it in the color navy, gray, sage, terracotta, marigold, brick red, and they also have a limited edition, and they offer the color black with gold handles and then white with the gold handles. This set has a non-toxic coating and it's free of PTFEs. Caraway was very gracious to offer all of my subscribers a 10% discount. The discount code will be in the description box below. So when you click on the link, it takes you to the site, and that 10% is on anything on their website. So it's not just the cookware set, it's 10% off site-wide. This coupon code is good until July the 31st, 2022. So that's the scoop on these beautiful ceramic pots, and let me show you what I'm cooking, y'all. Wow. Here come Greedy Monster.
These are pretty.
Why are they pretty? Let me show y'all what I'm cooking. Here's my cabbage I'm fixing, you guys. I did not add any water to this, and it's just sliding around like butter. It's not sticking at all. What I have noticed in cooking, be very careful, the handle itself is not hot. So this is not hot, but you know how you grab the top to lift it up? My fingers were hitting the top of the lid and it is hot. So you have to be careful that when your knuckles, that your knuckles don't get burned. But I'm loving the way this is cooking. I can tell I'm just going to be able to really just rinse this and get it clean. Alright, I think the cabbage is done. Now let's see how the cabbage just slides out of this saucepan. Look at that. Look at that. It just slid right out. You guys, I put maybe about less than a tablespoon of olive oil in here, and I just want you to see how these chops are just sliding around. So you guys, I am so excited about this pot set, this cookware, I guess that's the proper name. And they also have bakeware as well. So go out there on the website and check them out again. When you click on that link, anything that you guys choose that you want to order, you will automatically get the 10% off when you put whatever you want in your cart, okay? They are dishwasher safe, but they don't recommend using the dishwasher. They're so easy to clean. They recommend just hand washing them, because I think eventually if you do the dishwasher, then it's going to affect, you know, how your pots cook. They are oven safe up to...
These are so cool.
They are so pretty. I want to say 550 degrees. Aren't they nice? Yes, it is 550 degrees Fahrenheit is the max oven heat. They also recommend that you cook on low to medium heat. So not really a high heat, but low to medium heat. And they do mention here in the instruction manual, over not under, it says grip the lid handles with your fingertips or palm down so your hand does not graze a hot lid. Ouch. Yes, so the lids do get hot. The handles don't get hot, but the lids do. So when you reach up under and those knuckles graze that lid, you will get burned. So I think that's it, but they are absolutely beautiful. As it pertains to how I store them, my dude number one, this is AKA my husband. If you're new here, welcome. Just in case you didn't know who he is. We thought it was going to be time to eat. That's why he came in here. But the way my cabinets are made, my little insert, what's that? It's like a little drawer that kind of slides out of my cabinet. So he's going to have to figure that out so I can put my little dividers in there and store them like they should be stored. So, like I said, he's got to figure that part out for me.
Now, I'm not allowed to mess with these, am I?
Oh, no, sir. No.
So I want to cook.
Of course, you don't use any type of metal. You know, I'm going to use wood or even silicone. Hey, baby. My baby peeping around the corner.
So,
you going to come this way? Let him come around. Let him come around. Come on. He said he want to come see his nana papa.
So what's they saying? No Brillo pads or nothing like that?
Oh, absolutely not.
It's a non-stick surface, all right?
Yeah, because it's ceramic, it's automatically non-stick.
It's a non-stick surface, so you know, so you're not burning anything. You're not gonna burn.
Yeah. Like Nana's new pies, they pretty. Are they pretty? They pretty. Say yes, Nana. You could feed me a whole bunch of food. Okay, so once again, thank you so much to Caraway. As of right now, I love these pots. I mean, the food just slid out. The only thing you did not see was the rice. But it doesn't take much at all to see if I can get it to slide.
Don't let the food slide.
I'm trying to see if I can get it to slide.
I'll be on the floor
it
like
doesn't take much at all to wash these out and get them cleaned. I will give an update after using them for a while, but because he's not allowed to use them, I'm going to take very good care of my new pot. Don't touch my pots, okay? He be in here turning something with a fork. Listen. So I will give you an update after I've used them for a while. But again, thank you so much to Caraway for sending me and gifting me this beautiful set of ceramic pots. Thank you so much for also providing a discount for our subscribers or our YouTube family. Okay, we really appreciate it.
Yeah, fam, try it. I mean, you know, really, guys, these are beautiful. These are beautiful. Well, is this the only color they come in?
No, we've already talked about that. You're late to the party.
I'm sorry. I'm just saying.
You're late.
It's so elegant.
That's what happens when you come to the kitchen at the last minute, thinking you getting ready to eat something. Well, you are getting ready to eat something. Yeah. But I had to.
But they're so eloquent looking. I mean,
they're beautiful. They are. So, anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. If you've not subscribed, please consider doing so. Turn on that notification bell, and that way you'll know whenever we're doing something over here.
Tell me, say, hit the nosy.
Hit the nosy.
Hit the nosy.
Thank you all so much for watching. We already look forward to you. Remember, the link is going to be in the description box below, okay? Go over there and just browse around and get your 10% off of whatever you decide you may like. I think I need to go check out some of the cookware too. Not the cookware, the bakeware.
I know what the problem is.
Thank you guys so much for watching. What problem?
I know what the problem is.
What problem?
They look too eloquent to be sitting on this stove.
Look,
That's
I believe
what the
in for a
problem
new
is,
stove.
for real.
And look, and I have this one sitting on here. There's nothing in it. I just think it's pretty and I wanted him to sit up here with the rest of
That
it.
is, yeah, that's the problem. Because they look so...
Don't be talking about my stove.
Yeah, baby. You look, but I'm just saying, this looks
Y'all
so...
hearing with GE, Whirlpool, Kenmore. Anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. We already look forward to you joining us again next time. Bye. Thank you, Caraway.
Thank you, Caraway.